Well, hello there, my name is Payda and as you can guess, this is another Zara haul. I bought a ton of stuff from Zara because I have a little addiction, not major, because it's not a major addiction because I could stop when my bank tells me that I have no more money. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first item that I got was like a denim jacket, but it's not lined, so it doesn't have that denim jacket feel. It just feels like a really heavy top. I already have this kind of corduroy jacket but in a light brown, but I wanted the denim one, the light blue one, because I wanted to do the denim on denim effect. So I got this one from Zara. I got it in a size extra small and it was $29.99. Sorry, I made a mess because I wanted to unbutton it and, you know, see what was going on in the inside, but I think you can tell. It's got pockets in the front. Let's open them up. Are they real? Can we put stuff in there? You know I love real pockets because I want to just carry stuff. I don't want to carry my bag. Okay, so we got pockets. You can put your card or even your phone in there or a lip gloss or something. And then we've got pockets on the side as well. And then at the ends, we've got this kind of like frill detail, but it has been stitched, so it's not gonna like come out and cause a whole lot of mess, because I hate that. Don't you hate that too? Like when you have the frill and it causes a mess. Sorry, someone just flushed the toilet. Like how rude. How rude of them while we're trying to film. And then the buttons are just nice grey. Really like the look of this. I like that it's not heavy because it's going to be really nice for summer and springtime, where I would just wear like a really nice light crop top or like crop vest. So yeah, really feeling this and super excited for it. So here's that denim top jacket on. As I say, it's not really heavy. It's thick but not overly thick. I would personally not wear it all the way buttoned up. I would wear it in the summertime and then just wear a crop top, and then why am I struggling so much with the buttons? I would take the buttons out and then I would just wear like a crop top and just wear it, you know, open, and just to keep it kind of casual. And then I'll probably roll up the sleeves, you know, trying to go trendy and youthful. But yeah, it's a nice little piece, very artsy and very casual, and you can do a lot of things with it, but it's really cute. Next up, I got something really fun, kind of like, I don't know, sporty vibes to me. It's this really nice off-white top. I like the little cutout. Can you see it? In the middle there. So you're going to be showing a little bit of breast, just a little bit. Not over the top. It's long sleeve, nice material, really nice and stretchy. Got it in a size small and it was $19.99. I love the colour. I just love that design as well. I think that's really cute. And to match with it, I got the little skirt. It's like a tweed skirt. I love the colours, very wintry. Love the belt. Just really nice and fun. Got in a size extra small. It says €22.95, so I'm guessing it'll be like £99. But a really nice little skirt. Don't you like it? It's fun. I like the colours. The hint of blue, the yellow and the red. They just work really nice and well together. Does this have a zip? Like, okay, yeah, we have a zip at the side, so we are going to be able to enter in nicely. That's cute. Okay, so here is that top. As you can see, it's got that cutout. Isn't it so fun? It's what I like about the cutout, it's not overly sexy. This is what I really love about Zara. They are very, I don't know what the word is. They're stylish but not provocative. You know what I mean? They don't go over the top, because I feel like other retailers, it would be really low down and be showing everything. But Zara is very, just a hint of sexy, just a little tiny hint, but keeps it very classy and professional, which is why I do think that Zara is it reaches more people, because they have, you know, youthful buyers, so, you know, in their teens all the way up to women in their 50s and 60s that can wear the same things, because they just cater to women of all ages, which I really love about Zara. But the top, I digress. The top is really cute, so it's kind of high neck. I'd love like a nice like gold necklace, but I always use necklaces, so there's no point in you buying a gold one. And then long sleeved. And then here's the skirt. Super, super cute. I think as an outfit it would look really nice, really girly and chic. I'm such a girly girl. I love girly girl things. As I said, I like skirts, but I prefer skirts, but this is really cute. And yeah, I think it just works really well. It's a cute little outfit. I got another top, and this one is like one shoulder. Really fun again. Nice basic but fun top. I love good basic tops that are fun, you know, like have cutouts or just different types of designs. Got in a size small, it was $19.99. Again, long sleeved, really nice and stretchy. And then we can see that's a good material, because if I go underneath and pull, you could just hardly see my skin, and I'm pulling, aren't I? So I like the fact that it's nice and thick. Sorry, I keep looking in this mirror. I just keep looking at myself. That is so vain. And then to match with that top, I got these little skirts from Rival Closet. I prefer skirts to skirts, because skirts are annoying, because like when, you know, like the wind blows and then everyone can see your underwear, or just a feeling of like cold air up you, and I don't know, I feel like I always have to wear tights with skirts. So I got the skirts. See, at the back we got the shorts, and then in the front we got that fun and sexy skirt, and then it's got like a tie-up deal, which is really cute to me. I think it's gonna work really nice with that. And then my thigh-high boots, my classic thigh-high boots. So yeah, super excited about this. I got this in a size small. It's got a nice elastic at the back. Okay, stop shaking. So here is that next look on with that off the shoulder kind of top. So you got the one shoulder. Oh, let me wiggle a bit closer so you can see the top has that kind of off shoulder. Super good material, fits really nice on my skin. And so I paired it up with that skirt. Isn't this skirt so cute? Come on, it's so nice. I like the pattern, and the tie effect is really cute. And then I wore tights. I generally wear tights. I prefer tights. And I'll show you the back. Oh, the reason I prefer tights, sorry, daydreaming, is because I don't know, I just feel a bit awkward showing my legs sometimes. I like to wear tights. I just feel a bit more comfortable. But I love this look. It's just so much fun, and I just think it's just so like girly and fun and youthful. I may even just wear ankle boots with this, or you could even just wear like flat ballerina heels, ballerina shoes, if you just want to be casual, or heels as well. But I don't really be wearing heels that often. I'm fine wearing heels, so like I'm comfortable walking them, but I don't really be bothering with heels so much. But yeah, this is a really cute look, hey? Next up, I got some like chino baggy paper pants, yeah. So these are really cute. I like the light brown colour. It's in that chino colour. I don't think chino colour is a colour, but you know, like chino pants are generally like a light brown, so it's in that colour. I got this in a size extra small because I am an extra small in Zara sizing, because Zara sizing is confusing. And it's got a nice kind of ruffled effect in the front, and then a bow. I love the colour of them. They look really cute. They're gonna work nice with this top. Do you like this top? Let me show you more of the top. Ooh, can you see those arms? Ooh, I love that. Okay, I'll show you the pattern and stuff. It's really pretty, really summery vibes, isn't it? I got it from Rival Closet. Sorry, I have like gum pain. I need to go to the dentist, but you know. Got the top from Rival Closet. I will put a link in the description bar if you are interested. And so yeah, back to the shorts. Got some good pockets. Really good summer vibes, winter vibes. Not winter vibes, summer, spring vibes. Winter's over now, like we're already in like mid-February. Oh wait, only the first week of February. But soon enough it's gonna be March, and then soon enough it's gonna be April, and then May's here, and then June's here. But these are really nice. I feel like I could wear them out on a really casual day, but I feel like if I dress them up well, like with a nice white shirt, I could wear it to work as well. So I like that they are really nice and versatile. As I say, $25.99. So here are those trousers and that kind of floral top on. As you can see, it's off the shoulder, spaghetti strap, and then it's just got this like really fun ruffle effect. I would like unwrap it so you can see what it looks like on. Why is this camera shaking? Like, stand still. And then the trousers, really, really cute. That paper bag effect, so they're not really thick, but they're nice and airy, really breathable. Perfect for summertime when you want something like really nice and casual. You don't want something over the top. I think as an outfit, it could maybe just about work. I feel like this would be better with like a white top. I'll show you the back. So it does have shouldn't talk to the wall. It does have elastic on the waist, and then you've got that belt. I will walk a bit closer so you can see the top. It's quite a long top, but it's really, really pretty. Yeah. So I was thinking of a Valentine's Day look that was chill and warm because it is kind of cold outdoors. So, oh, pardon me. I got this kind of off-shoulder dress from Rival Closet. So it's long sleeved, just a nice bodycon, really good material. Like, you know when you buy things online and look at that, like, can you see? I'm pushing at it and you still can't see like my skin underneath it. It's really good material and it fits nice. Like, it looks really nice. It really looks nice on my curves. But yeah, off the shoulder, and it kind of does that wrappy thingy. I don't really, yeah. I think it looks nice. Like with my makeup, I wanted to go for like this kind of look. Curly hair, I can't curl my hair. I tried and I really cannot curl my hair. I always make a mess. And then I like a nudie color lip. I was using today Madeline by NYX because I love gloss lipstick. I don't like matte lipstick. I hate dry lips. And then I did like the black smoky eye and then some lashes. Keeping it quite simple. And then I just put, you know, a little foundation, a little highlight and stuff. But yeah, so as I was saying, really nice short black dress. And then I would wear that with this look. And then as I'm walking, you know, talking with my boo thing, is this masculine jacket. All I wanted is a masculine jacket because I think they just look so nice and professional, and they're just very a classic item in the wardrobe. Like, you have these really good classic items, and this is definitely one. I got this in a size extra small. I wanted the, you know, a bit more of a fitted effect. It's a bit more pricey. It's $99.99. It's got this little label and it's got sheep on it, so I'm guessing it's made out of sheep. I don't really know. But this is like a little card that just talks about the Italian mill produces the finest luxury textiles since 1943, passion for research development and high respect for the environment, which is good, you know, because now we are thinking about how fashion influences the environment. I like this jacket. Slight padding on the shoulders. I think it's going to work so well with so many outfits. A work jacket and then an outdoor jacket. I know £100 can be a lot of money when you're thinking about one jacket, but if you actually think about it, how many jackets do you actually own, and then how many times do you actually use that jacket? You need a good jacket that's going to last you and sustain you for a long time. If you buy something like this, which is a good quality material, like, I don't even have to tell you, like, look at it, it's good quality. Take care of it when you're washing it. This will last you 5 years and can last you up to 10 years. I've got a jacket that I bought from Topshop. I've had that since 2012 and it still looks good. I've done the razor method. You know, when it builds up with material, I did the razor method just to make it fun again. But yeah, super nice. We do have pockets where we have to go into the stitching. Super annoying, but we can live. And then we've got a nice button in the front. It's going to look really cute with that black dress for, you know, dinner with boo. I literally just took a break because I was just feeling myself. You know those days where you're like, your hair looks nice, your makeup looks nice, and then the outfit that you're wearing looks really nice, and then you're just in the mirror like, yes, like, you know what I mean? Like, just down to the mirror like, you know. That was me for like 5 minutes, just being so vain. Anyway, here's this Rival Closet dress. So it's off the shoulders, I say, so you can like, got this extra material just to wrap over. Look how good this looks on me. I know I'm wearing granny pants, but it doesn't matter. This looks so cute. It's so fitting on my body. It fits so nicely. Like, it feels so nice on. The material quality is amazing. It's amazing because you can't see anything underneath, and it's just, I just feel like this is going to last a long time. A really nice simple black dress. If I could change anything, I would love to have the hose, you know. I think that's just what I would like. Sorry, I'm talking so quickly because I was just having like a little party. But I will put that jacket on as well. So I feel like this could be a Valentine's look. If you're someone who's a bit more casual, you don't want to go for the classic red or classic pink, you want to wear the black dress, and then as you're walking, ooh, it's just decided to go up. This may be a problem. As you are walking to see your boo thing, so okay, yeah, that is a problem, like when you put the jacket on, you can wear this beautiful masculine jacket. So you're putting this jacket on, you know what, you can just wear it up like this. He doesn't even know that underneath that you're looking so amazing, so sexy, so really nice jacket, as I said. So we're going to make some pockets ourselves. Cute little button, very versatile. You can wear it to work, you can wear it when you're wanting to cover up, and then bam, which is something really sexy. I'll show you the back. So it's quite a long jacket. It goes up to just above my knees for me. Okay guys, so that was the end of my Zara haul. Okay guys, that was the end of my Zara haul. I really hoped you enjoyed the video. Got a few items from my closet, as I said. I want to just say thank you for 500 subscribers. I know that sounds like a little number, but that, like, oh, it sounds so cute to me. It's like 500 people that like my face and like my videos. I am aiming for 1K. We're gonna get that very soon, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel.